Good evening, guys. Am I audible to you? Yeah. Thanks for the confirmation. Let's start our topic. Yes, guys. Tell me what is our previous topic? What is our yesterday topic? What we have completed in yesterday's class? What is our recent topic? What we have discussed in yesterday's class? It is about non-static initializer. Non-static initializer is completed, right? I think I have given points also for it. What is the what is the non-static initializer? What is the behavior of a non-static initializer? What are the elements we can use in non-static initializers? Which elements we can't use in non-static initializers? These all concepts are covered in yesterday's class. Am I correct? Give me a minute, guys. Yes, guys. Today we will discuss about some basic concepts. Okay. What is Java, guys? Tell me what is Java. You should answer, guys. What is Java? I need answers from you guys only. If you tell the answers only, I will continue to the next topic. Without your answers, I can't able to start. Yeah. I will write one point here. Tell me one by one. High level programming language. Yes, perfectly done. Next one. Object oriented programming language. Yeah, done. Next one. It is not a platform development, it is platform independent. Platform independent. Next point. Yeah. Platform independent, JRE dependent. Write once anywhere. Run anywhere. Aura concept. Okay, done. Any other points? Yeah. Simple and secure language. Yeah. You guys already know. Let me discuss. Enough. These points are enough for me. I got my answer. What you guys already know what is object sorry. What is high level programming language, right? What is high level programming language? You guys already know. Am I correct? It is not my intention to repeat it again. If I repeat it again, it will take a lot of time. So you guys already know it is explained in the first day of the class itself. Now, keep it aside. Object-oriented programming language. Keep it aside, okay? Keep it in hold. We will discuss later, okay? Keep it in hold. We will discuss it. And platform independent and JRE dependent. You guys know, am I correct? Platform independent and JRE dependent. Yeah. You guys already know what is Aura concept also, right? You know what is Aura. Right once, run anywhere. Simple and secure is also a general thing. It is easy to write and it is most secure because it generates bytecode, right? This bytecode can be understandable by only JRE. This can be readable by only JRE. No other missions, no other compilers can't read this bytecode. Only JRE can understood this code. Any doubt here? Yeah, sorry guys, I got a call. No, you guys all know except OOPS concept, object oriented programming language, remaining all topics. You know, right? You know what is a high level programming language? You know what is a high level programming language? You know platform independent and JRE dependent. You guys know what is Aura? Simple and secure. Now our intention is to learn about object oriented programming language. Okay? Oops. Object oriented programming language. Tell me what is an object, guys. In generally, tell me what is an object. In general, what is an object? You should respond, guys. I'm not asking about programming language. I'm asking in general. Yeah, I know, guys. What I am teaching, I know. I am not discussing about OOPS concept. I am discussing about object. Please follow it. I know what I am teaching. I'm not skipping any topic, okay? Every entity, right? Object is an entity. It is an entity. Your mobile is an object. Your mobile charger is an object. Whatever pen you are using, it is an object. Am I correct? A real world entity. You can say it as a real world entity. We can say it is an object, right? Now our Java is also related to object, guys. Okay, it is also related to object. Everything in Java is related to object only. Here, for creation an object, we write code. We develop some code for creating objects. Suppose if I need to manufacture a pen. Assume that I need to manufacture a pen. This is my pen. Like this, I have a cup. Okay. So when I want to manufacture a pen, I need blueprint of it, right? Blueprint. Blueprint means structure, right? Blueprint means structure. The layout of the pen. What are the properties I need? What are the dimensions? Everything will be in blueprint, right? Whenever we are constructing a new house also, our engineer will give you a civil engineer will give a blueprint, like it's a kitchen, living area, bedroom, bedroom 2, bedroom 1, dining area. Like he will give some blueprint, right? With this blueprint, we can create multiple objects, right? We can create one house here, we can create another house, we can create third house, we can get fourth house. Am I correct? With a single blueprint, we can create number of objects. With a single constructor site, single blueprint of a house, we can create n number of houses. Will you agree with me or not? I am asking you guys only. You should respond. Yeah, right. Now, coming to our Java also. For creating one object, guys. Okay. In our Java also, we are creating one object. For that, whenever we need to create an object, we need blueprint. Without blueprint, can we create a house? Can we construct a house without blueprint? Without knowing dimensions, without knowing which materials we use. No, right? Like this also in Java, without blueprint, we can't create an object, guys. In Java also, we need blueprint to create an object. Can anyone tell me in Java which we call as blueprint? Which things we call as blueprint, guys? In Java, yeah. Most of the people told right, guys. Class, yeah. Class is the blueprint, okay? If you see a class syntax means, see, I am right here class A. Here I am opening, here I am closing. Whatever the methods I will write here, right? This is showing me some syntax. We should follow this order. We should follow this order, right? You need to follow a class and class name, open braces, close braces. Inside it, whatever you want, you can write. Like this, it is giving you a blueprint. So class is a blueprint, guys. Okay. In Java, a class is called as blueprint of a object. In Java, class is called as an blueprint of an object, guys. Okay. And tell me now. You said an object is a real world entity. I assume that I will take mobile. Okay. This is my mobile, guys. Smartphone. Is it a object? My question is it a object? Yeah. Tell me properties of this, guys. Behaviors of mobile. What is the use of mobile? Tell me behaviors of mobile. Basic behaviors. Properties, behaviors. Calling, texting, browsing. Next. Yeah, gaming. It is very important, right? Gaming. Enough for this. After this, enough. Tell me what is this, guys? Tell me what are these? What are these things, guys? Features. Features. Behavior, right? Behavior of mobile. We can say it is a behavior. Calling is a behavior of mobile. Can we say? Texting is a behavior. Browsing is a behavior. Gaming is also a behavior. Yeah. You said behaviors. Can you tell me what are the requirements, guys? For performing these things, what we require for a mobile? For doing call, what is mandatory? For performing calling option, what is mandatory? Yeah. Okay. Very nicely you are telling. Let me erase it. Let me take my mobile, small mobile. These are behaviors. Now tell me what are requirements. One is battery. Someone said one is battery. Yeah. Very important SIM. Third one. Tell me objects, physical things. Network. Oh, okay. Network also is required. Yeah, enough, enough. For me, it's enough. Okay. Without battery, can I run a mobile? Yeah. I can create a mobile without battery, but it won't work. Without battery also, a mobile will exist, but it won't work. Without SIM, mobile with battery, assume that there is a battery. Mobile plus battery. There is a battery. There is no SIM. But I can use my mobile for remaining all things, right? Without SIM, I can perform remaining all things. I can play games, offline games. I can watch movies, right? These we call as data members, guys. Okay, data members. These are we call as data members. For texting, SIM is necessary. For calling, SIM is necessary. Not for texting. For calling, SIM is necessary. It is providing data for calling option. Network. Think internet. Okay. Internet is required for browsing and texting. It is one type of data member. For simple example, one more simple example. Let me take a pen. Pen or marker. Okay. You know the pen, guys. Okay. Behaviors of pen is. Tell me behaviors. Writing. Data member. Ink is a data member. Am I correct? Inside this. Inside this, ink should be right. Ink should be present to write. To perform writing, there should be an ink, right? So, writing is a feature. It is a behavior. For that feature, ink is mandatory. So, we say it as data member. Understood, guys? After all these nonsense things, tell me what a class consists of. What a class consists of. For this simple question, I have explained this all bullshit things. Yes, guys. Data members and okay, you said data member, right? Keep it aside. Second point is keep it aside. Tell me what we say it in a class. We have methods, variables, right? Stop. In a class we have variables and methods. For which one we call it as data members. Variables are methods. I am making a poll. Yes, guys. You can find a poll in your chat box. Yeah, 75% people are telling right answer. Data members are variables, guys. Okay, these we say as data members, and then this we can call it as also states. Data members and also states. Okay, without these things we can't perform actions. And methods. Methods are called behavior. Will you agree with me? Methods are called as behavior, data members are variables. Why means I will explain reason also, don't worry. See here, assume that I have a class called calculator, okay? There is a class called calculator. In it, I have integer type values. Int a equal to 10. Inside main method only, I assume that inside main method only I have these things. Int b equal to 20. Int c equal to 30. After that, I am writing a method, guys. For doing addition operation, I don't write in main method. Whenever I want to add something, I will call this method. Static int add method. Add method will take integer type values, not array. Let's give me integer type values, guys. Here I am using varargs because I can perform addition for multiple numbers. So next I am taking one for loop. Inside it, return, sorry, int sum equal to 0, sum plus equal to a of I. Don't worry about this. This is my array program. How to get values from varargs. You already know. That's why I am explaining very fastly. I am just writing. I am not concentrating on the what is the methods I am discussing. I am not concentrating on the lines of code, guys. Return sum. Addition is a behavior, right? Addition is a behavior of calculator. Am I correct? Can anyone tell me what are the behaviors of a calculator? Behavior of a calculator. You should respond, guys. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage. Yeah, right. Addition is a behavior, right? Addition is a behavior. Am I correct? Addition is a behavior. In my program, addition is a behavior. What is addition? It is a method, right? It is a method. Whatever I have told in theoretical part, is it satisfying my conditions? Methods are called as behaviors. Variables are called as data members. Is this condition satisfying in my program? Respond, guys. Previously, I told that variables, data member, method, behavior. Is these points are satisfying by my program? Are they satisfying? Any doubt? Till now, any doubt, please respond. If you have doubt means, please ask me. No, right? Yeah. Thank you. Do you want notes about this, guys? Do you want notes of it? Do you want notes of it, or can I post it in our? Okay, I will give notes. I have some points. At the end of the class, I will show you. I will show that slide. You can take screenshot of it. Okay. Otherwise, I will explain about constructor today. After that, I will show it from the starting of oops concept. Every day I will dictate notes, guys. Okay. I will give you notes. At each and every topic, I will give you notes. You should write it because oops is on almost all theoretical part. Yeah, I will provide you. Please submit your assignments. After submitting your assignments, I will post your notes. I think your deadline is on 4th. Before going to constructor topic, let me write a basic program. Assume that I have non-static variables in my class, guys. Okay. Yeah, definitely, guys. Chaturya, Chaitu. I will explain you. Don't worry. Give me a minute. Just a minute. I will come back. Yes, guys. See here. There is a non-static variable in my. Yeah. Okay. Somebody want only attendance link. I will paste your attendance link. Submit your attendance and get off. Those who have really interested, they can stay. Otherwise, they can leave, guys. This is the initial step for oops. Without knowing about constructors, you can't know about oops concept. I am giving 5 minutes of time. Take your time and fill the attendance. Okay. It is 8:50 now. I will start exactly by 8:55. After that, I will close attendance sheet also. Those who want topics, they can stay. Otherwise, they can leave. And you guys ask for notes also. I will display it now. There are some people for they are only coming for attendance. For the sake of attendance, only some people are coming. Yes, now you can see your notes. You can take screenshots. Now you can see your. Yeah, how to connect with me? I have yesterday provided one Instagram ID and one mail ID. You can contact in those two sources. Okay, you can mail me. There is 3 minutes of time for your attendance. No, I am not going to provide attendance link one more time. Those who really want to stay, they can stay. Otherwise, you guys can leave. Yes, I think so. Everyone completed attendance. No, assignments you should submit in your Google Classroom. Those who have submitted in the classroom only, you will get grades. Based on that grades only, based on the grades only, we will get mock ratings. We will conduct mocks. Okay. We are little busy with some other work, so mock is going to postpone. But be prepared, guys. Yeah. There are 137 people. I will explain for only 137 people. For that, I am closing attendance link also. In which format you are comfortable, you can send it. If there are mistakes, means I will mail you. I will attach through mail. Okay, you can check it. But it will take time. After fourth only, I will check the attendance. Sorry, not attendance. I will check that assignments. Keep it aside, guys. We will talk at the end of the class. Okay, we will talk them at the end of the class. Now let's complete our topic. What is this, guys? What is int s? What is it? Who is that person saying it is a static variable? Where is your brain, man? Did you kept it in freezer? It is a non-static variable. To access this variable, I need to create an object, right? You guys know, right? This is the way to create an object. With that reference, I can access that. With that object reference, I can access the variable. Is there any doubt in this basic program? Tell now only, guys. If you have doubt means I can't explain one more time. So doubt means tell now itself. Yeah. Now, let me copy this. Yeah, guys. Now I will ask questions for you, because those who have really interested they can stay, otherwise they can leave. As I said, almost 20 to 30 people gone leave. I got attendance for 200 people, but it is talking now there are only 157 people. I don't worry about those who left. I worry about the who stay only. I promise you, those who will continue our classes, they will get a good knowledge on Java. Aavanto is going to provide you placement offers also. Tell me what is this, guys? What is this? Don't tell it is a class name. Don't tell it is a class name, sir. According to this line, tell me. According to this line, follow this line. This is the object creation line. This is the creation of object. It is object reference. This is object reference. This is not object, okay? Yeah. Let me wait. Follow her, guys. There is one girl saying Siri. Very good, Siri. It is a non-static data type. Non-primitive, sorry. Non-primitive. Non-primitive data type. At the time of initializing a variable, it is a variable. It is a data type. Data type. Variable name. Whatever the assign value, you will assign. It is a value of, it is address of an object. New keyword is used to create an object. Whenever we write this, it will generate a address, a hexadecimal address. If I print it means, see here, it is a hexadecimal address. It is a class name. It is giving me full detail information. Hexadecimal address. Now tell me what is this? Now tell me what is this? I'm asking one more time. I'm asking one more time, guys. It is a data type. You can say directly data type. It is not mandatory to tell always a non-primitive data type, okay? It is a data type. Keep it in mind. Class name is also a data type. D is the variable. Whatever the things you want, you can take it. New is a keyword. New is a keyword used to create an object. Now tell me, up to this everyone know. This is everyone know, this everyone know, this is a keyword because it is showing in different color. Tell me what is this? What is this? Demo 2, open bracket, close bracket. Why I am writing anytime? If you know, tell me. Otherwise, sir, we don't know. Yeah. Those who don't know, stop it, stop it, stop it. Yeah. Let me explain. Enough. Let me explain, guys. Up to now, you know this is a class name. Up to now, you know that it is a class name. Up to your knowledge now, up to now, this is a class name. With a using new keyword and class name, we create object. Up to now, you know that this is a class name. That's it. But now, from now onwards, you can't say it is a class name, guys. It is a constructor, okay? It is a constructor. Geeta, don't say it is a default constructor. Don't make others confused. Don't make others confused. It is a constructor, okay? Now tell me what is this? What is demo 2 with open brace and close brace? It's not a class name. It is a constructor, okay? We should say from now onwards, you are Java developer side. From now onwards, you should say it is a constructor because you guys are developers. The future software engineers. In coming 2 to 3 months or coming 1 year, you will become a good software engineer with minimum a 5 lakhs package. It is a constructor, right, guys? Now tell me. Now listen carefully. I will explain the properties of constructor. First, I will explain syntax, okay? Syntax. Follow syntax, guys. Constructor is also same as method. Same as method, but with some differences, guys. Same as methods. Like for methods, what is the syntax, guys? Tell me for method syntax. Access modifier, method type, return type, method name with arguments. Am I correct? Will you agree with me? Will you agree with me? This is the syntax for writing a method. Yeah. Now for constructor, every time constructor name will be constructor name, guys, should be same as class name. That is demo 2. Whatever the class name we have, that should be our whatever the class name we have, that should be the name of our constructor. With the class name only, we need to create a constructor, okay? It is a syntax provided by the Java developers. class name other than class name. If you write anything, it will take as a method. Whenever we write a class name, at that time only it will consider as constructor. Okay. Understood, guys? For method names, we can write anything. Method name is an identifier. It is identifier. But whenever we are writing a constructor, we should use only class name. That is class name and constructor name should be same. Must be same. Okay, must be same. And now tell me. For method, we have return type. Am I correct? We have axis modifier, method type, and return type. For constructor, demo 2. It is my class name. This is completed. Now, what about remaining parts? No return type, guys. For a constructor, there will be no return type. Constructor does not have any return type. It doesn't contain any return type. If a constructor contains return type, it will become a method. Constructor doesn't contain any return type. And method type. Constructor can't be static anytime. Constructors can't be static. Let me write each and every point. First point. Wait. Okay, I will type it. Okay, don't worry. For your understanding, I will type it. It will be very easy to understand you guys also. Before I will explain what you have understood, tell me guys. What is a constructor? Syntax. Okay. Constructor. Syntax. It is not my fault. I have given 5 minutes of time to submit attendance. Don't text sir, I had attendance problem. If you want really attendance, wait until the end of the class. Don't ask the same question again, okay? Syntax is class name. Otherwise, you can say axis modifier, class name, guys. This is a syntax for writing a constructor, guys. Okay. This is a syntax for writing a constructor. Constructor doesn't contain any return type. Let me explain. Let me explain all points. Let me explain all points. I'm not completed about constructor topic. I'm explaining from starting onwards. You should know before execution part. We should know what is a syntax. If there is syntax only, you can write that constructor. Whenever we have constructor only, we can write statements. Without writing constructor, we can't write statements, right? For eating food, we need to prepare food first. Without preparing, we can't eat food. Okay? Take first point. Constructor name class name. Okay guys, first point is constructor name should be same as class name. Second point is there should not be any return type. There should not be any return type for constructor. Okay, any return type, and we can give access modifier. Now, based on these 3 points, can we create a constructor without statements? I will explain when it is executed. What is the use of constructor? I will explain. Don't worry. Until that, up to our knowledge, can we create a constructor now? Can we create a constructor in our class? Yeah. Thank you, man. I forgot one more point. Constructor cannot cannot be static. I will explain about this point. Okay, don't worry. Why it can't be static? I will explain you. Let me open my Eclipse. Yes, guys. See here. I am removing all the points. Demo 2. See here. Are you able to see it? I am not specifying any axis modifier. That means it is a default. Axis modifiers are 4 types, right? Private, default, protected, public. Here, without writing anything means it is a default. And this is my class name. I am not mentioning any return type. If you observe means there is no return type. Are you following? Are you following, guys? Yeah. Up to now, everyone clear, right? Now you can able to create a constructor. Now we will move to the what is the use of constructor, where we use it, where we use constructor, what is the main use of constructor, we will discuss. Okay. Just I will explain one point. After that, I will explain the use of that point. Okay. See here, guys. Construct is a set of statements which will be executed each and every time when an object is created. Okay. When the object is created, it is a set of statements which will be executed every time at the time of object creation. Okay. Now I am expecting one question from you guys. Let's see how many got the doubt. I am giving 1 minute of time. Think and ask me. I am expecting one doubt from you guys. If you remember just yesterday's class, you can ask one doubt. Tell me. If you're really putting interest concentration means you will get that doubt definitely. I'll give time for you. Think and tell me. For that statement, I will tell you. I will. I will show demonstration for that statement. Okay. I will show demonstration for that statement. Fifth statement. Constructor is a set of statements which will be executed at the time of object creation. This is my object creation, right? No guys, here I am calling constructor. With the new keyword, I am calling my constructor. This is the constructor. I explained you. This is my constructor. Hey guys, I am not asking about super keyword, super call statement. It will come in oops concept. I have given hint also. Compare with yesterday's class and today's class. You will get one doubt, okay? Now I created object with a constructor. This is my constructor. This is my constructor. With this I am creating object. See here, I am getting output as high. If I create one more object, I will get one more time high, okay? I will get one more time high. Who are the idiots again asking for attendance link? I said clearly I will give 5 minutes time. After that I will close attendance. Again and again same repeated question. Are you coming for attendance or coming for knowledge? Okay guys, don't worry. You are not getting that question. Let me explain you. What is a non-static block guys? What is non-static block? Did you remember or not? Non-static block. Non-static block or non-static initializer. Non-static initializer. This will be executed at the time of object creation. I am asking one thing, you are telling another thing. My god. Remember about non-static block, right? When it will get executed, guys? Tell me when the non-static block will be executed. Executed at the time of object creation. Then what is a constructor? Constructor is also a set of statements. Am I correct? Whenever we call this, that means creating object, right? Calling constructor is creating object. Calling a constructor means creating an object. Is it right? This statement. This is constructor calling as well as this statement we say constructor calling as well as object creation. Forget all things guys, don't get confused. Those bloody people again asking for attendance link. Go and fill attendance and go and die. Am I asked for static, guys? Priya, Devaki Priya. Am I asked for static? Why you are interfacing with static? Anywhere I use static here. It is my mistake to ask you guys. Let me write. Stop texting. Stop. Everyone be quiet. Please listen carefully. I will explain one more time. One side there is a constructor. This is non-static block. Here some statements are there. Here some statements are there. When constructor is executed, guys, tell me. Now only I explain when constructor is when constructor is executed at the time of object creation. Whenever we call constructor, at the time the set of statements is executed, right? Yeah. Stop. Stop. Now tell me. Yeah, I said stop. Now tell me when this block is executed. Non-static initializers are get executed. When these are executed, guys, tell me when these statements are executed. Same as object, same as like constructor, right? At the time of object creation. Am I correct? Yeah, stop. I said to stop. Now you guys have doubt or not? After explaining this also, you are getting doubt or not? What is the different use of constructor? What is the use of non-static block? Both are executing at the time of constructor calling. Why constructor is required? Why constructor is required? Why non-static block is required? Are you guys getting doubt? Are you getting doubt or not? If you don't get doubt means that is not my fault. It's your thinking problem. Yeah. Okay, cool. I will explain two to three points now. After that, you will get clear. You will get understand what is non-static block, use of it, what is a constructor. You will get clear. Don't worry. If you are clear up to now means you are very good now. Now you got into track. You are on right track now. I'm proud of you. You are on right track, but somewhat slow. You need to kickstart. Wait. Let's stop. Let me explain you. Did you remember overloading concept? Did you remember overloading concept, guys? What is overloading? Tell me. Tell me what is overloading. Now I will take just 10 minutes of time. You will get to clear. In just 10 minutes, you will get to know what is constructor, what is use of constructor, what is the non-static block. In between polymorphism, why it is coming polymorphism, guys? Uma Mahesh, why you are bringing polymorphism, man? Same class name, same method name. Yeah, same method name with different arguments, right? Constructor is also a method. Am I correct? Constructor is also a special method. Yeah. Stop, stop, stop. Yeah, stop. I got it. Yeah, you are brilliant, guys. You remember all the points. Only some people, one or two people are having confusion. It is not common in all the institutes. Only some two or three people are confused. The same points. Constructor is also a special method. Am I correct? Constructor is also a special method. So it also accepts arguments. I said while writing constructor, I said it accepts arguments. Remember that point? While explaining, I said, see here, it is accepting arguments. Let me explain you practically. It will work or not, okay? See here, whenever I call this constructor for integer value a, I should get printed that value. Whenever I call this constructor with integer value, my set of statements is to print that value with some statement. Here I am concatenating with string. Whenever I create an object, this is a special method. To create an object, we need to call this with a keyword. See here, demo2 d equal to new. If you see here means observe here means it is showing me demo2 at integer value. It accepts integer value. Are you able to find it? Please follow it. If you respond only, I will move to next point. Otherwise, I will wait in the step only. Yeah. I need to call with some value. I will call with some integer value. See, this is the object creation. Whenever I call a constructor with new keyword, the object is created. Okay? By calling a constructor prefixed with new keyword, it will create an object, guys. Okay? Note this point. Whenever we call a constructor prefixed with new keyword, it will create an object and return a hexadecimal value. Okay? Now, demo2 is a constructor which will accept integer value. Any doubt in this program? If you have any doubts, please tell me. Now only tell me. I will explain one more time. Any doubt? You guys must and should respond. Yeah, I will execute it. No problem. I will execute it. See here. Am I getting output? Your entered number is 10. Keep in mind same thing. I will explain one more time. If I explain non-static here, you will get to know. Okay. Now wait. I will execute. I will create one non-static. Okay. I will create one non-static block. Amrita, please wait. Wait. Think once. Am I creating any object before calling a constructor? In this constructor, am I having any object reference? No. It is a non-static. In non-static, we can use non-static variables directly. See here. Now I am creating a non-static block, guys. You should respond here. Any doubt in this? Is anything wrong? Just answer my questions. You will get to know for answers for all your questions. Answer my questions. Your doubts will be cleared. Automatically, your doubts will be cleared. Okay. Just follow my questions and answer it. Now, if I write here, int b here, I am initializing value here. I will print directly. Tell me. Everyone clear? I am creating a non-static variable. I am assigning value and I am printing it. Is it possible? No. Why can't it possible, guys? It is possible, right? It is a non-static block. I can use non-static variables in it. So I'm initializing a value, I'm printing that value. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, anywhere I'm creating my object in main method, right? This will be executed at the time of object creation. Am I correct? Let me delete this for a while. This is familiar, right? In yesterday's class, we all discussed about this topic only. Am I correct? Non-static block value, initializing it in a block. This will be executed at the time of object creation. Am I correct? Am I correct, guys? If I see means every time. How many times I create object? I am creating one object here. I will create one more object. I have how many objects I have, guys, in my program? How many objects I have? It is not required for object reference because I am using it in a non-static block. 4. 4 times also I am getting same values. If you observe means I am getting same values every time. Are you able to find it? Are you able to find it, guys? Every time I am getting same values. Can I change these values in each and every time? By using non-static block, can I change? In first iteration I want 20, first object. In second object I want 30. Third object I want 40. Fourth object I want 50. Can I change it? Can I take user value for constructor? Non-static, sorry, not for constructor. Can I take user value for non-static block? Yeah. Yeah, it is possible by constructor. I am asking about non-static block. How you will take, guys? How will you assign values for non-static block from the user? Tell me, how will you assign? We can't give dynamic values, guys. Okay, we can't give dynamic values for non-static block. Keep it in mind that for non-static block we can't give dynamic values. Okay, we can't change the values, guys. Non-static block is to initialize values. Each time it is executed, these values will be assigned. It means it is changing default values to new values. That's it. We can't modify values each and every time. Once we have decided values, it will be assigned every time. Okay, every time I executing my constructor or object creation, the same value is printing. To avoid this problem, they introduced a concept called constructor, guys. We can pass arguments for constructor. We can't pass arguments for blocks. Okay, is it anywhere possible to give arguments for non-static block? For this block, anywhere it is possible to give arguments. Arguments means user values. Is it possible to give for non-static block? No. But tell me, is it possible for constructor? Is it possible for constructor? Yes. Constructor can have arguments. So whenever we call constructor, we can give values whatever user want. Whatever things we want, we can give that value. Am I correct? Whatever the values I want, I can assign, right? See here. Now I will pass first time 10, second time 20, third time 30, fourth time 40. I am giving values to my constructor. After that I will print. Constructor value is constructor value. I will concatenate with A. Now if I execute means every time I will get, yeah guys. Now tell me my output. I will get in first object creation I will get 10. In second object creation I will get 20. Is this my output or any different output? Is this my output or any different output? See here, I will execute it. Constructor value is 10, 20, 30, 40. Every time I am getting different values. Whatever the value I am passing while creating object, that values are getting executed. Now you got the difference? Now you got the difference, guys? Difference between non-static block and constructor. Non-static block means every time it will assign same value. We can't change the values at the time of execution. At the time of object creation, we can't change values for non-static block. But constructor, in constructor, we can give whatever values we want to use. Now, write the uses of constructor, guys, okay? Uses of constructor. Definitely, I will give notes. I will post it, okay? Uses is constructor is used to initialize the values, okay? Okay. If I tell this use means you can't get understand. It is already 9:45. For that advantages, you need to about this keyword, okay? I will explain this keyword in tomorrow's class. I will post it. I am not posted till now. I will post it, okay? Don't worry, guys. I will give you whatever notes you want. I will give you. If you understand the topic means you can make your own notes also. Somebody is asking for Google Classroom link. Now only I will give you the Google Classroom link. You can check it. You should know about this keyword. Otherwise, let me tell you. There is no constructor, guys, okay? See here, not constructor. Assume that. Now, I have a non-static block. Non-static element, right? Just give me 2 minutes of time. I will complete this topic also, okay? Tomorrow I will freshly start this keyword. We can freshly start this keyword. Will give me 2 minutes of time. I will give you Google Classroom link. Just click on it. It will directly go to Google Classroom and join. You can click directly join, okay? By constructor, guys. By constructor, using constructor also, we can initialize values. B equal to A. Whenever I call a constructor, now B value is assigned. A value assigned to B. Like this, I can call, guys, okay? See here, I'm assigning value to non-static elements, okay? By using constructor also, we can assign values to non-static elements. Oh, sorry guys, this is attendance link. Sorry. Yeah. Now you can find Google Classroom link. Follow here. By using constructor also, we can assign values. We can initialize non-static variables. Okay. Constructor will replace the use of non-static block. Whatever the things you will do, use of non-static block. That can be achieved by using constructor also. Okay. By using constructor, you can replace non-static block. Whatever the things you will do with non-static block, that many things you can perform by using constructor also. Are you getting? Are you having any doubt? Getting any confusion, guys? If you respond means I will finish it off. There is nothing to discuss more. Here I am initializing value to b by using constructor. That's it. If I call this means d dot b d3. Actually, I am not initializing any value for b. With the help of constructor, I am assigning value to b. If you see means I will get different values. Are you getting? Understood, guys, this program? Please respond. You should respond, guys. In place of constructor, if I use non-static block means every time I will get 10 only. Am I correct? My question is, if I use non-static block here in place of if I use your non-static block b equal to 10, every time I will get 10 only, right? Every time I will get 10 only. To avoid this problem only, constructor is came into the picture. That's all, guys. Okay. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will discuss about this keyword. Okay. Yeah, it's already time up, man. If you want to abstract number program, you can contact me through mail. Okay. If it is possible, I will explain in another class. Yeah. Mahi, tell me, what is your doubt? Yeah, Mahi, you asked, I have a doubt. Tell me what is your doubt. Okay. Yeah, about number programs, I will discuss it in another class. Note down, guys. Tomorrow our topic is constructor overloading and this keyword. Okay. This keyword and constructor overloading. Hey man, your class link, Google Classroom link is in your chat box. You can find it. Like clicking directly, it will go. If you want, also I can give you. Okay. This is your Google Classroom code. Okay. That's it for today, guys. See you on tomorrow's class. Go to previous video. At the end of the class, you will find it. Okay. My mail ID. That's all for today. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Ratan Kumar, I am saying that go and watch previous video, day 24th video, and at the end of the class, that means by 9:30 or 9:40, at the end of the video, you will get my mail ID. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.